Hello, wonderful viewers. I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day today. How is the classic peach pie produced on a massive scale inside modern mega factories? Have you ever stopped to wonder how countless fresh peaches and mountains of flour are transformed, step by step, into that delicious golden dessert you enjoy at home? Before we dive into this fascinating journey, let me know down in the comments, what time of day are you watching this video? Our journey begins out in the vast, sunlit orchards, where nature does its best work. Large, vibrant peaches are carefully harvested at peak ripeness to ensure that sweet, signature flavor. At the same time, golden wheat fields are being harvested by massive combines, and fresh milk is collected from modern dairy farms. It is truly incredible to see how many different agricultural sectors must work in perfect harmony just to gather the raw ingredients for our pie. Peaches are widely celebrated in the culinary world for their bright, refreshing taste, making them the perfect star of this show. Next, all these fresh ingredients arrive at the processing facility. Massive transport trucks pull up to the loading docks, unloading thousands of fresh peaches into giant steel receiving hoppers. You can hear the incredible rumble of the fruit tumbling into the factory. Simultaneously, tons of fine white wheat flour are blown into towering silos, and fresh milk is pumped into chilled holding vats. The scale of this operation is simply mind-blowing. Every single day, tons of raw materials pass through these doors, ready to be processed. Once inside, the peaches take a high-energy bath. They drop into massive flowing water flumes and are blasted by high-pressure water jets. Spinning nylon brushes scrub every inch of the fuzzy skin, ensuring not a single speck of dirt remains. It is deeply satisfying to watch this continuous river of fruit emerge completely spotless. The peaches then pass under powerful air knives that blow them completely dry. Maintaining this level of cleanliness is crucial in food production to ensure a safe and high-quality final product. Now comes the high-tech part of the process. The clean peaches enter a fully enclosed optical sorting machine. High-speed digital cameras and laser grids scan hundreds of fruits per second, checking for perfect size and color. If a peach is bruised or underripe, a precise blast of compressed air instantly ejects it from the main line. It is a brilliant display of modern automation. This ensures that only the most flawless, premium peaches move forward to become the filling of your pie. In this stage, the perfect peaches meet the blades. A rotary pitting machine efficiently slices the fruit in half and punches out the hard wooden pit. The halves are then sent through a high-speed slicer, cutting them into uniform slices. Meanwhile, in another part of the factory, giant industrial mixers are combining flour, butter, and liquid to create massive batches of pie dough. Watching the heavy spiral hooks knead hundreds of pounds of dough is incredibly hypnotic. Both the filling ingredients and the crust are now perfectly prepared for the next step. The sliced peaches are then dropped into massive stainless steel cooking kettles. Golden syrup, sugar, and cinnamon are added to the mix. It is amazing to see heavy paddles fold everything together as high-pressure steam heats the kettle. The mixture boils vigorously, transforming into a thick, glossy, and fragrant filling. This cooking process locks in that classic, beloved flavor that many people enjoy during family gatherings. The hot peach filling is pumped through a complex pipeline system to ensure perfect consistency. Inline filters catch any tiny stray fragments, while optical sensors and digital viscometers check the color and thickness in real time. It is fascinating how a simple drop of liquid pectin can fine-tune the gel texture so perfectly. This precise standardization guarantees that every single pie will have that exact, satisfying bite you expect. Next, the filling enters the pasteurization phase. It flows through a massive tubular heat exchanger wrapped in thermal insulation. Superheated steam raises the temperature just enough to completely sterilize the mixture without ruining the fruit. Food safety is absolutely paramount in these modern facilities, and this enclosed, automated sterile zone ensures the product remains perfectly safe for consumers before it ever reaches a pie crust. After pasteurization, the filling must be cooled rapidly. Freezing cold liquid glycol circulates around the cooling pipes, bringing the temperature down. You can actually see frost forming on the outside of the machinery. The filling is then pumped into giant holding tanks where slow-moving scraper blades gently fold it. This resting period allows the pectin structure to stabilize, creating that thick, luscious filling that stays perfectly inside the crust when you cut a slice. Now, the magic really happens as the dough and filling finally meet. A massive sheeter flattens the dough, and robotic plungers press circles into shiny aluminum tins. Volumetric fillers inject precise 2-pound mounds of the golden peach filling. Then, robotic arms swiftly weave flat strips of dough into a classic crisscross lattice pattern over the top. After a quick egg wash and a sprinkle of sugar, the raw pies enter a massive 100-foot-long tunnel oven, emerging as bubbling, golden brown masterpieces. The piping hot pies are sent through a vertical spiral cooling conveyor to bring their temperature down safely. Once cooled, high-speed robotic arms gently lift the delicate pies and place them perfectly into brown craft paperboard boxes with transparent windows. A labeling machine rapidly applies pastel-colored tamper-evident seals, and a heat-shrink tunnel secures a protective outer film. Watching the packaging line operate with such high-speed precision is truly a sight to behold.
När release när det bättre med net over negative right off but I'll see us but they're not scarce and if you listen it more if me with a lot
In the final stage, automated packers group the individual boxes into heavy-duty shipping cartons. Yellow robotic arms stack these cartons onto wooden pallets with incredible strength and accuracy. A rotary wrapper secures the entire pallet in plastic film before autonomous vehicles transport it to a colossal storage warehouse. Finally, manual forklifts load the pallets onto refrigerated trucks, sending these beautiful premium peach pies out onto the highway, ready to be enjoyed by families everywhere.
Bring the next pallet in, watch the height.
Copy.
And that is how a modern factory produces thousands of premium peach pies every single day. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press 1 inch the comments, and if not, press 0. What other manufacturing process would you like to explore next? Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing factory tours. See you next time.